Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time I'm taking you with me to Spain and we're in Malaga. So we arrived yesterday, we did like a quick tour in the city. We laid on the beach, it felt so nice. The weather is amazing here in the end of April. And I'm back in Airbnb now, getting ready to go to the city. So let me show you our Airbnb. So we basically booked like the cheapest room available. Here is little bed, our stuff, nothing extra. So we paid 120 euro for 4-night stay, and it was the cheapest option available, but it's quite central and it's about like 20 minutes walk from the city center where we are heading right now. Well, we actually don't know anything about the city, so I think we're gonna just find out what to do and where to go. Yeah. So we're at Airbnb now. It's super tired, but we had such a great day. We've walked so much and I got a bit burned here. I hope it's gonna be fine tomorrow. We're just gonna go to sleep, I guess, because it's almost sunset time and we're quite tired, and I'll see you tomorrow. So yesterday we spent the entire day wearing our jeans because that's what we were wearing from the airport. But it was like hot burning and me wearing in my black jeans, I thought I'm gonna just burn alive. So today I'm gonna wear something very light. I'm gonna show you now my look of the day. I'm wearing silk skirt with a top. I'm gonna show now. This is the look of the day. I'm wearing a long silk skirt with this red top, and underneath I have the bra from my bikini because we're going sunbathing. And I think I'm gonna add some accessories. I need to think which one, and ready to go. Just arrived at the beach waiting for my friend, and we're gonna do some picnic by the beach with lots of fruits. we can get into water because it was quite cold, so we're just sunbathing the whole afternoon. It feels so nice to be under the sun after very cold days in Budapest. Feels like a paradise. I feel like this is my laziest trip because usually I would try to see everything in like 3 to 4 days trip, but this time it's more about just laying on the beach and just eating good food and getting enough sleep. So that's what we're doing like, all day, every day. But overall, Malaga is a great place to visit if you like museums because it has so many nice museums. It's quite interesting, but me personally, I'm not a museum person, so we skipped all of them. We're more about just beach type people and I would say like lazy vacation. We'll try to visit one lookout tomorrow, but yeah, other than that, I think we covered most of the sightseeings. So I think I had kind of higher expectations. I thought we'll be visiting like all of the sightseeing and be super busy, but we're not. And it gets dark here so late. It's almost 9 p.m. now, and as you can see, it's still quite light. My friend already left, but I decided to walk a bit more to see the night city. But it's crazy how it doesn't get dark and it's still kind of warm. Day 3 in Malaga, we just had brunch at this place. It's called Brunch. It was so delicious. Now I think we'll just walk around again, and that's what we do every day basically. literally how we've been spending our vacation. Just laying here and eating our snacks because we're just taking a super lazy vacation plan this time. And I'll be leaving tomorrow. This is our last day in Malaga. Today we spent a whole day just laying on the beach. Didn't do much, but it felt so good. We rested a lot and we ate like great food. Tomorrow we have an afternoon flight, and unfortunately our Malaga trip is over. Overall, it was amazing trip. We had great time, and I would definitely add Malaga to travel list if you haven't yet. And yeah, I think that's it. So thank you everyone for watching. Hope you liked my vlog, and see you next time.